And now you are seeing what is happening to Air India also, such a big organization and all. How much money we have spent and how much money has gone and all. The government has no business to be in business. The government has to focus on administration, on delivery, on health, on education, on connectivity, on providing basic amenities. And the business has to be left to the business people. And it should be regulated. That's why we have regulators here. Regulated. And government should give a helping hand. Hand-holding. This is what is happening. This is a new change that is happening. So I appeal to all the local bodies across the country, follow the Pune model, follow the Ahmedabad model, and then raise resources. You can raise resources provided you are transparent, provided you are able to take the people into confidence, involve the people, what sort of city they want. Pune people should decide, not Delhi people. Surat people should decide. So this is what Prime Minister told me. And then it should become a people's movement. I'm happy that it's catching up across the country. That's why this credit rating. Now we allowed PPP, public-private partnership. More than 36 ambassadors of different countries, they met me and they told me they're all eager and they want to invest in India. But at the same time, the city must be ready to take the investment. Now you must pay back. ये तो कोई मुफ्त में कोई देगा नहीं. वो दिए तो भी हम लेते नहीं. कोई अमेरिका मुफ्त में दिए तो हम लेंगे क्या? We are Indians. We have self-respect. स्वावलंबना हमारा ये है. मगर पैसा का जरूरत है तो उसको लोन लेंगे, बैंक भी लोन लेंगे. अभी एक फैशन हो गया आजकल, लोन लिया तो लोन वेवर करो. ये लोन किसका, पैसा किसका है? स्टेट बैंक में जो जमा है अरुंधति जी का मैडम का पैसा है क्या? आप लोगों का पैसा है. यहां माफ करे तो वहां पे करना पड़ेगा. तो माफ करना पड़ेगा एक्सट्रीम सिचुएशन में, मगर वो कोई फाइनल सोल्यूशन नहीं है. यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ द सिस्टम एंड यू हैव टू मेक पीपल, फार्मर्स दे शुड गेट रेम्यूनरेटिव प्राइस. They should be taken care in distress. But at the same time, end of the day, you need to create infrastructure, rural godowns, cold storage, refrigerator vans, and also adequate of affordable, cheaper credit for the farming community. These are all the steps I'm happy that the Maharashtra government is moving in that direction. But at the same time, friends, what I'm trying to say is, coming back to the urban areas, if you want to make urban life more comfortable, because people who have come from villages and all to urban area, they should not repent. मैं आ गया, वापस भी नहीं जा सकता हूं, यहां भी नहीं रह सकता हूं. ये सिचुएशन नहीं होना चाहिए. इसके लिए शहरों का पास जो साधन है, संपत्ति है, उसको बढ़ाने के लिए पूरा प्रयास करना चाहिए.